Nice to meet you, Abby. I'm in class 5B. Hola, the conversation is only about two people. I can see
Yeah, it's about two people. These other people who are there are like the people who be there after class, because you can't only be two people who are waiting to go home.
it's Abby and Danny.
Yes.
Okay. This is a good one. It's a good one. All right. So um, we can be suggesting what project we are going to build after here, because we are going to do as a team, and we are going to build a project right now. For this class, I am not going to teach. We are all going to work together and share the knowledge from the previous classes that we've been studying, and we see what exactly we remember, what we don't remember. Then we can divide. From this time, we will end up dividing who. Oh, wow. So we'll end up dividing, and we be like, who is going to continue to the next class and who is going to be in the beginner class. I can see someone has really not been, to answer after this.
My story is done.
All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. This has been amazing. Names here. Can I start picking names? Let's see. Let's see. Rodney. Rodney. Mic check.
Yes,
Rodney,
please.
can you hear me? What happened to the projects you made?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Rodney, I think Isaac is going to
It's
present.
here.
It's there. Why are you not willing to present it? So what if I'm giving out presents? Would you be able to show us your project? Rodney. So you need Chiboko. Okay, so
Yes.
Rodney, I think
Yes, Charlie.
you'll be okay. You are going to present to us your project. You're going to present, I think, after Isaac, and then let's see who has run away after Isaac. All right, so let's go to Isaac. Isaac, are you willing to present your project?
Teacher, I made also a project. I made also a project, teacher. Teacher, can you hear me? Teacher. Teacher, can you?
Pardon? Isaac?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Isaac.
Teacher, you
Okay.
made a project.
Yes. Please share your project.
Okay.
Yeah, share your screen and show us your project and explain it, what it means, and how you came up with it. Okay.
I'm getting my project.
All right.
Teacher, it's this one, but there is also one thing that happens to the scratch I made. It when I put it, they start as if the people, the sprites start talking as if they are competing.
Oh.
Yes.
All right. I can see the problem already. From what I've seen, I can see the problem already.
Yes.
First play and we see. Who is talking? Isaac, as they are not talking.
That's it. It starts as if it's competing. Yes?
Oh.
Yes? Yes,
All right.
teacher?
So first show us the side of your project. Show us the inside part of your project. Yeah, minimize.
Which?
I saw one of the errors already. Minimize your screen. Yeah, there. So just know, Isaac, just know what you do when you broadcast,
Yes.
you can see here when I receive, and then you put, I think that is Davin in tenor. Then is like, my name is Davin. What is your name? Then you broadcasted my, right?
Yes.
Then you cannot be the same person to receive my. Yeah. So someone else whom Davin is talking to is the one to receive. So you can see you broadcasted my and you're the same person who received. So that's why they are competing. Yeah.
Yes.
You cannot receive what you broadcasted. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So I think we are going to be able to correct your work using another project. Then I think you will be able to understand more of how broadcast works. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. I'm very happy that you. Yeah. I'm very happy that you used one of the projects we finished with. One of the work that our latest work. Yeah. Thank you so much, Isaac. All right. So someone. Muchibi, you're coming next. So please be prepared and. Okay, let me first answer some of the questions in the chat. Someone was asking what lesson is. This is Scratch. And yes, we are going to be coding and making animations and stories. I think that was who. Let me check. Where is this person? Okay, I can't seem to get your name right now. You are all putting on gunpoint. I should answer you. Yes, this is Scratch, and we are still communicating, so just bear with us. All right, so right now I'm going to ask Muchibi to share his screen. Where is he? With host. Muchibi, please put your hand up. Oh, here you are. Yeah. Rodney, please share your screen and explain to us one of the projects that you've made.
Okay. Are you seeing my screen, guys?
Yeah.
I was working on something.
You can go ahead, Rodney, and maximize the screen. You're still working on it.
No, I was working on a new one, teacher.
Okay, so can you show us one of the projects that the ones that you finished already? Do you have those?
Okay.
You know how to go there?
No, teacher.
Go on file and then open, load from the computer.
Okay. Let's see.
This is the same one of today.
Yeah,
Okay.
something has gone wrong.
Oh, okay.
With some time.
So, Rodney, what you're going to do, you're going to use your
Yes.
We are going to use your computer somewhere. Anyone else? Can you check on the desktop?
Yes.
Can you check on the desktop? I remember seeing that work last time. So where did it go? Oh, God. Yeah. Oh, is this a new computer that you're using?
No, it's the same one I used last time.
Okay. All right.
Hello, Chaprosi.
Yeah.
I had this is Chaval. I had several students who said they had projects that they want to show today. So
yeah.
I would like to know how many have shown their projects so that I can save a T-shirt for them.
Okay. Today it was Paula, Isaac, and Rodney. I don't know if there is anyone else who wants to show their project. Guys, there is a T-shirt here. They are going to give you a T-shirt. So who is going to show us his project? Someone else. Diva. You had put your hand up before I saw your hand. You removed it very quickly. But I saw you. So do you wish to share your project with us?
I see Yusuf's hand is up.
Yusuf. Oh, wow. Yusuf?
Okay. Yeah. Yes.
How are you, Yusuf? Do you have a project? You want to show us your project? Is your project ready? Can you share your screen?
Yes.
Rodney, if you could please stop sharing so that Yusuf can share their screen.
I've stopped.
Okay. Oh, but I'm still seeing it here. Yusuf, please share your screen. Yusuf, can you hear me? Yusuf, we can see your screen, but we can't hear anything from you. So you're going to explain to us what your project is about. And then as you share your screen, you explain what your project is about. Please, if you can hear me, please speak up. I think Yusuf is speaking, but I can't hear him. I can see his mic moving. Yusuf, are you there?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Please share your screen and tell us. You can start by telling us what your project is about as you try to share your screen. Oh, has Yusuf gone? I'm not seeing him more. All right. So I can't see Yusuf anymore. So who else had offered to share their project apart from Yusuf as we wait for Yusuf to come back? So today's lesson, as I said, you guys are the ones that are going to be sharing your screens and you're going to be building projects together. So I know a lot of you have started with us. You've been working together, creating different projects. So we are going to create a project. So I need someone to suggest for me what we are creating today. You suggest something knowing we are going to create it together. All of you are going to come together to create a project. So some of you who have not been in this class, I can see in my group, in my inbox, you're asking what class is this, what are projects, who is showing what. Yes, so we've been studying coding for the last 2 months with some of the students here, and we've been able to do some projects, some talking cartoons, if you can call them animations. We've been able to develop some games. We've been able to do some stories. As I think you saw Paula's story. So we've been able to do a lot of things. So we have all this is on the YouTube channel already. All these lessons are already on the YouTube channel. So I shared the link in the WhatsApp group. So please go ahead and look at it. And I hope you can look at it and practice. So we are going to have 2 different classes. Yes, Yusuf, you're back. Welcome back. Communicating. So we're going to have 2 different new students here who don't know what coding is. They've never heard of coding. It's their first time in this class. Maybe it's your second time. You came last week in the first class. So we'll have 2 different groups. We'll have the beginner lesson, beginner students. Then we'll have the ones that are the continuing students. Yeah. So starting next week, we'll be sharing more of this, but I can't. Wow, now I can see it. Okay, if you can tell us what your project is about. Yusuf, are you there? Yusuf, please unmute your microphone and tell us what the project is about, and maybe you can start by explaining it. Yeah, you have unmuted. Please go ahead and tell us. Okay, I'm not.
Teacher, it is my first time to attend this lesson.
Yeah, I've communicated about the people who have attended the lesson for the first time. Okay, let's see. Yusuf, please tell us what's going on there. You can see, but you're not talking. Lorita? Please, your hand is up. Can you tell us what's going on? All right. Lorita? Okay. Now, I think Yusuf, if we can't hear you, please stop sharing your screen and let Rodin share his screen. Rodin, you can share your screen and then we can start building. Sorry, someone suggested we do a birthday party. Anyone else has a suggestion of what we should do today? What you guys should do today? Anyone with a suggestion? Anyone else with a suggestion? Or we are going to go ahead and do the birthday party?
Well done, Yusuf. Let us first say well done to Yusuf. Well done, first of all, for making something, for building a project. I think
Yeah,
we
it
know
looks
working
good.
online. Yeah, working online is not easy. So we can assume that he's having issues with something that is technical.
The microphone.
So, yeah, but well done to each and every person who went ahead and created a project. I have noted your names, and of course I have the t-shirts for you. I will see how we shall talk in the group how we'll get them. Okay? So the rest of you today, like Teacher Prosi said, we are going to create a project together and we hope it's going to be fun. So it can only be fun if you also tell us what we are going to create together, so that at the end of the day, we can all be proud that we have built something from scratch using Scratch. Okay? Teacher
Okay.
Prosi, you can-
The students are used to putting the chats in my inbox. I always told them to text to everyone, but they always put in my inbox. So I can read out what someone was like, we make a birthday party. William is like, we make a soccer game. And then someone is like, we make a game and swimming competition. And then someone is like, make a game. Independence. I don't know what that means now. Someone says we make a game. Most people are saying we make a game. But what game exactly are we making? Yeah, so we are going to make a game. So I want Rodney, please share your screen. Rodney, you're going to be the driver of that. So you're going to share your screen. Okay. Oh, where is Rodney? Rodney, put your hand up. Okay. Okay, Rodney, put your hand up, and now the students are going to help you. They will tell you exactly what to create, yeah? And then let's see.
Okay.
You have made your co-host, so you can start sharing the screen.
Is everyone
Somebody made a Squid Game. Mahad is saying we make a race. Someone is saying, Innocent is saying we make our own Wi-Fi. Oh, okay. Someone is saying we make a tug of war. Someone says we make a runner game. Someone else is saying we make a pool game. Someone is saying we make a squid game. Hey, who is saying we make a squid game? Do you know the rules of the squid game? Aha. Let's see. Okay, thank you so much. All right. So,
So, Teacher Tracy,
yes, please, Java.
again, I want to say well done to the students who have contributed to the different games or projects they want us to create. So the good thing about them wanting to create those games is that let us learn how to create this project, and then you on your own or with your friends are going to be able to try and create the games that you want to create. So for now, let's choose one and then learn how to create. And at the end of it all, during the challenge or the competition, you'll create what you want, okay? And the best person will win something nice. All right? Okay.
Okay, I think I can read out the games. I can read out the suggestions and then maybe they can pick one, right? Okay. If you know your suggestion has not been said, please suggest as I start. So I start with Nakato. She says to make up the party. William says a soccer game. And then Philip just said a game. Fatuma said a game. Then V7 said independence. I don't know what that means. Someone says we make a maze game. That is Shafiq. And then Joshua says we make a race game. And then I think Philip saying we make a runner game where there are obstacles. Okay. All right. So we have a runner game, and then we have the squid, and then we have a maze. And then someone says we make a racing game. So what are we making? Make a race game. Okay, so we can actually, let me see. Am I the master? Let's see. Oh, we don't have the voting things here. I thought we had. Let's see. Meet a master. I'm a master host. All right. So, guys, choose from making a race game and as a race game and what was it? It was a race game and a maze game. So choose one of the games. So I'm going to ask who of you wants to create a race game. Put your hand up. We are going to vote on it. Those who want 2, 3, 4, 5,
6.
Oh. Oh, okay. As you guys are many. Okay. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. Game. Those who are going to create a race game, put your hands down. And then we see those who want to create a maze game. Okay, who of you want to create a maze game? Okay, let me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I think we are going to create a race game. So go ahead and pick let's go ahead and pick the backdrop that is going to be doing the race. Okay, guys, you can be suggesting in the chat what exactly we should pick. So which one do you think to pick? The backdrop? The one that has where someone can race. Someone is saying Night City. Someone is saying, let's see. Most of them are saying Night City. Guys, can you run in the Night City? Okay. Someone said Night City. Let's choose Night City. Maybe it's going to be a night race. Let's pick Night City. Someone says jungle. How can you race in the jungle? All right. Let's see. What else? Okay, Night City is the winner. All right. So what do we need when we are going to race? Please suggest. Put your hand up and suggest for us what you think we need when you're going to race. Deborah?
Teacher?
Yes, please.
A car.
A car?
Yes, a racing car.
Okay, Deborah has changed the rules. I think we are going to. Deborah says a racing car. Okay, let me even note them down. Deborah says a car. Okay, who else has a suggestion? What else do we need when we are going to race? Lorena, what do we need when we are going to race? Deborah says a car. What do you think we need when we are going to race? Okay, let's pick Nakato. Thank you, Kato. What do you think we need when you are going to race? Let's see, someone says a motorcycle in the chat. We need what?
Racing shoes. Racing shoes. Kelly.
Racing shoes. Okay. And what else?
Elements.
The racing element. Oh, okay.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. And what? Okay.
Race car.
So someone said motorcycles as racing have. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and okay. Thank you so much. Thanks so much, Kato, Hannah, Waswa. Yeah. Rita, what do we need when we are going to race? All right. So someone says, okay. So please, Rodney, go ahead and look for the slides. Maybe we can get all of them and assemble them. We can get maybe a racing car. We can get a motorcycle. I don't know if it's there. Then we can. We can. Rodney, are you there?
I am there, teacher.
Yeah.
A motorcycle.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, now you look for a motorcycle.
It's not there.
You type there. Maybe you can look for a vehicle. You can type cars here and see what we have. Cars, lorries, and maybe motorcycle. You type it there and see if it's there. I'm also not sure if it's there.
It's here.
Yeah, you see, a scooter. That's a scooter. All
And
right.
they put
Let's
their
see.
motorcycle.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So what else can we get a person also? We make all of them assemble at once and we try to make them race. You look for another sprite. That you think can run.
Okay. How about a truck?
Okay, let's someone suggest click on sports.
Okay.
Click on sports, maybe give someone who can run from there. So let's see, whom do you think can run? We have Ben, we have
Anna.
Jordan. Okay, where is Anna? Oh, Anna looks like she's running. Okay. That's the picture. That is the picture. So let's see. Anna, is Anna able to run? Click on Anna. Her sprite doesn't run, but okay, let's put her there. So we have Hannah. So Rodney, what do you think we need? How do we know that this is the starting point? What do you think? What is always on the starting point? So we are now still picking the yeah.
It is a line, like
now. All right. So you can go ahead and draw the line. Do you know how to draw the line?
No. Yeah.
You draw the line. Why you pick that backdrop of the night, your stage, click there, and then we go and edit the backdrop.
Okay.
No, not there. Edit where there is that fence. Click on the backdrop.
You have clicked on the backdrop I chose.
Go back. Yeah, go back where you are. Go back.
Okay, I'm here.
Click on the word stage.
Stage.
Yeah. And then go where there is always costume, click on backdrops. Okay, so we have our backdrop here. And then we can now convert it to avatar. Click on convert to avatar, then we can get and draw. We can get a line and draw. Nice. So pick the line and pick the color, then you go ahead and draw inside.
Pick the line.
You see the line?
This one.
The line here, this side on the left.
This one.
Yeah.
I've drawn the line.
Make it a little bit thicker. So as you can see, we have first click and do. Here where there is costume night, click and do. We need to draw a thick line. Yeah, a very thick line, and then get these people. You see where they are? You see where your line appears? Yes. So go ahead. And you see where there is outline?
Outline,
yeah?
Yes.
There is outline here. Yeah, that black box. Yeah, where there is 1, you can increase from 1 up to maybe 4, so that the line is a little bit bigger.
Okay.
Then pick the color from black to another color. Then go ahead and mark the starting point. Now go ahead and pick the color. No, pick the line. You've already picked the color, which is red. Pick the line and then draw. It's back on 1. Increase the size. The starting point, you can't put it in the middle. It has to be back this side.
Yeah.
All right. You've drawn. Okay. Rodney?
Yes.
Oh, my internet is unstable. Okay, Rodney, thank you so much. But it is I don't know if it's your internet, but we are lagging a little bit. Okay, now, nice. I think you can see you've drawn the line. So now you can start pulling these people and putting them back behind the line. Yeah. Go.
Okay.
You can close this backdrop and go this side and arrange the people and make sure they're behind the line, so that maybe you can start racing. If they're big, decrease the size. Let's see. Racing.
Oh my God.
Click on code. Okay. Right. Thank you, Rodney. Yeah. Now pull the motorcycle and then the vehicle. You arrange them very well. They all start from the same point. What's going on?
I refuse to go there.
Okay. Rodney, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I can see you're trying. I can actually share my screen. Let me take it from here, Rodney. So you guys are going to be telling me what to do, and I'm going to do what Rodney has been doing, but you guys will be telling me what to do, okay? Rodney, please, you can stop sharing your screen. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Sure.
Let me do exactly what you have done. Share my screen. Okay, let me share screen. All right, use the Night City. I think it was this. Did he pick this? He picked this. Night City. So we have our Night City here. I want this guy to be one of my racers. So I'm going to go ahead and pick 2 more. So we had a car.
I cannot see your screen.
Can you guys see my screen?
Yes, teacher.
Rodney, can you see my screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. All right. So we have a car. Let me get a convertible. I think we had a car. Which is car. This one, we had a motorcycle. So we're going to have a race between a car, the cat, and a motorcycle. Or motorcycle. Moto. Oh, moto. It's T. Yeah, motorcycle. There we go. All right. So we have a car. We have a motorcycle. Oh, we have a convertible. So let me delete one. All right. So I'm going to arrange. I think you can see I'm arranging them. I'm going to arrange the car is there, motorcycle is here, and oh, the motorcycle is here, and the car is right behind it. So these people are going to race. The cat is going to race with the motorcycle and the car. So we are going to make sure we have our starting point by going here. You guys suggested we have to have a starting point. I go to the stage, I go to the backdrop, I'm going to be able to draw, okay? As Rodney has done, it's exactly what I'm going to do. So when I come back to backdrop, I'm going to click on the convert to avatar so that I can be able to draw, right? So from here, I'm going to come here and I'm going to pick this line. I need to draw the starting line. You know, in every race, we have a starting line and a finish line. So I have there that. So I'm going to come here and increase and get my starting line to be maybe red. Then I'll come and draw the red line where I want the starting line to be. I come and draw my red line here. And you can see we are all my starting line except for the convertible. Yeah. The motorcycle should also extend. Yeah. I think you can see we are all behind the starting line. All right. So what code we need for, okay. Then now we are also, after doing the starting line. We need to draw the finishing line. So we come back here on the backdrop, the finishing line, we draw the finishing line. Then you guys are going to tell me which code you think is to draw all the things. I'm going to change the camera, maybe right here. We have a start line here, we have a finishing line here. All right, so you guys are going to race from here to here. So from to green. So whoever passes green, meaning they have 1. Okay, so that is what we're going to do right now. Using the codes that we've studied before, you guys are going to tell me what you think we're going to do. So if I want this cat to run, what do I do? Who knows what we are supposed to do? Anyone? Okay, Isaac.